Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can use a Pandora app on your device. I'll be showing you the complete guide on how you can actually use your Pandora application, so make sure to stick with us till the end of this video, and also make sure to check your internet connection. Now to begin with, first thing first, you need to install this application on your device. In case you have already installed, then you need to update the application. Either to update or to install the application, the procedure is same. That is, you'll need to head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Pandora Music. Once you type in Pandora, right over here, you'll be able to see this is the particular application that you are looking for. So you need to click on the install button if you haven't installed it, and in case if you have already installed it, then you need to update it. If the application is also up to date, then you'll need to open the application. So it will take some time to install this application, so you'll have to wait patiently. After the application is installed, click on the open button. Once you're on this page, you can see in the top left corner of your screen there's a try bar icon. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, on the other half you'll be able to see a list of icons or the tools available. From here you can go all of these information. For example, you can see there is an option as blog. Just tap on it and now you'll be taken to the blog page. Now once again do the same thing, that is tap on the try bar icon in the top left corner, and underneath there is this radio icon or all of these information. You can go through it and in order to listen, just tap on it and then you can download it or upload it, and in this way you can use a Pandora app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.